We've all heard and know of the potential dangers of added sugar. The research shows that the relationship between added refined sugar and negative health outcomes is absolute. There is no denying the connection. Today we will talk about 5 ways to replace sugar without sacrificing your sweet tooth. And these are real, uncommon ways, not the usual listed ones. Welcome to HPHY, Healthy Practices, Healthier You. So cutting back on refined sugars added in ingredients and meals can make a huge difference for your health, helping you to avoid these blood spikes and crashes, keeping your cravings under control and supporting your energy levels and your overall health. Today we're exploring 5 alternatives to refined sugar. And these are not the typical honey or stevia, monk fruit, or coconut sugar options. They are natural, whole food alternatives to sugar that bring more than just sweetness. They add nutrients, including fiber, hydration, and real health benefits. Stick around for a bonus option that's perfect for creamy, rich pairings without added sugar, and some extra tips on enhancing the natural flavors in your food so you can enjoy every single bite while keeping your sugar intake in check. The first potential alternative is a fresh fruit puree. Starting with fresh fruit puree options like bananas and apples and berries make great natural sweeteners. By pureeing whole fruits, you get sweetness, yes, but you also get fiber, hydration, and essential nutrients. Fiber helps slow the absorption of sugars, preventing those sharp blood sugar spikes often caused by refined sugar. In addition to keeping blood sugar levels stable, fresh fruits are also packed with vitamins and antioxidants which support immune health, your skin glow, your energy levels, and just generally your overall health. If you can add pureed bananas to your oatmeal or yogurt or smoothies for natural sweetness and creaminess, or you can puree apples or berries to use them in baking or mix them into sauces and dressing, it can give recipes a subtle sweetness and hydration boost. So how will you feel when you replace refined sugar with fresh fruit purees? Well, you're going to keep your blood sugar more stable, which means longer lasting energy without the crash, and that's short-term benefits. Long-term benefits are greater. The fiber and hydration from the fruit short-term also helps you feel more satisfied. A second replacement for sugar, refined sugar, excess refined sugar, can be cinnamon. Cinnamon is a powerful spice that not only adds warmth and a hint of sweetness, but also offers real health benefits. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate your blood sugar and may even reduce sugar cravings. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps improve your insulin sensitivity, so it allows your cells to use glucose more efficiently. You can sprinkle cinnamon in your coffee, your tea, smoothies, or your oatmeal, and they're especially great in baked goods, enhancing the natural flavors of ingredients like bananas or apples. So how will you feel? By adding cinnamon to your diet, you're supporting stable blood sugar and potentially reducing those midday cravings. Plus, its warm aroma can make food feel more satisfying, which can help you stick to your goals of cutting back on sugar. A third potential replacement for sugar, for refined excess sugar, is vanilla extract or vanilla beans. Vanilla has this natural sweet aroma and flavor, which can give food a sense of sweetness without any sugar at all. Vanilla's rich aromatic compounds can enhance the flavors of other ingredients, allowing for a subtle sweet taste that does not require sugar. Vanilla is also low in calories and has antioxidant properties. Add a few drops of vanilla to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or even coffee for a touch of sweetness and warmth. And you can use it in drops or the bean itself or powder. But in baking, vanilla pairs beautifully with fruits like bananas or berries. Any fruits really, peaches. It's a fantastic combination, and the rich aromatic compounds give vanilla this sensation of sweetness. And because vanilla helps create that sweet sensation, it can satisfy cravings without impacting blood sugar. So how will you feel? Well, as one of the most popular food flavorants around the world, vanilla provides this sense of indulgence, helping you cut back on sugar without sacrificing flavor. Its aroma just helps trigger pleasant feelings, making food feel just more decadent without the need for sugar. The fourth potential replacement for sugar in your meals could be carrots or sweet potatoes. We can actually also add even caramelized onions to this, but for this we're just talking about carrots and sweet potatoes. These root vegetables bring a natural, mild sweetness and are nutrient powerhouses. When grated, they add texture, moisture, and a bit of sweetness to recipes. Both of them are rich in fiber, beta-carotene, vitamins A and C, and they support eye health and immunity. Their fiber content also supports steady blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption, while beta-carotene adds an antioxidant boost. Add in grated carrots to muffins, to oatmeal, or pancakes for extra texture and sweetness. It can make a world of difference in feeling full and satisfied and indulging your sweet tooth. Sweet potatoes work well in baking or roasting as a side dish, or also in baked goods, bringing a sweet, savory flavor profile. So how would you feel? Well, these root vegetables add both texture and gentle sweetness, making the meals feel just more filling and satisfying. The fiber and nutrients keep energy levels steady, helping you feel fuller for longer. The fifth potential replacement is coconut aminos. So coconut aminos is a savory and slightly sweet condiment made from the sap of coconut blossoms. Often it's used as a soy sauce alternative, and it has a mild, natural sweetness and provides flavor depth without adding sugar. Coconut aminos also contain a small amount of naturally occurring sugar from the coconut sap, but it has very low glycemic index and is much lower in sodium than soy sauce. The natural sweetness balances quite well with its savory umami flavor, making it a great way to add subtle sweetness without causing blood sugar spikes. Coconut aminos is versatile and works well in stir fries and salad dressings and marinades, even as a dip, baked goods. It's especially useful in savory dishes where you want a touch of sweetness without using traditional sugar. So how will you feel with this coconut amino? Well, with its low sugar content and balanced flavors, coconut aminos satisfies both savory and sweet cravings, helping you cut back on sugar without sacrificing taste. Its gentle sweetness adds a depth to dishes, giving meals a more complete flavor profile that can help reduce the need for additional seasonings or sugars. And while it's not a sweetener in the traditional sense, it can provide a great alternative to added sugar. Another option to enhance any meal or dish or ingredient that requires sweetness is actually adding something not sweet, but something like mashed avocado, which is creamy because it's a creamy, rich alternative to use in recipes where sweetness is not required. Avocado's mild flavor pairs quite well with other ingredients and is perfect for adding a satisfying butter-like texture. Avocados, of course, are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamin E and C, supporting their heart health and skin health and brain function. And the fats and fiber provide steady energy and just help you feel full. You can mash avocado to smoothies with banana for a creamy dessert. You can spread it on a toast with cinnamon or vanilla for a sweet twist, or even use it in bacon for moisture and richness. You can pair it with any fruits to have this balanced combination, almost pudding-like effect. How will you feel? Avocado's healthy fats and fibers will help curb those cravings and support stable energy. But it most importantly just gives you that creamy satisfaction. And when you have the cinnamon or other aromatically sweet smelling spices paired or fruit purees paired, it makes a huge difference in that overall mouthfeel of sweetness without added sugar. So we can also have a little bonus where we add butters, natural butters, and other flavor enhancers. For a little extra flavor, you can try using nut butters like almond, cashew, pistachio, whatever you like, your favorite. Just either purchase it in butter form, or you can, if you have a good food processor, you can blend it yourself, or just regular cow's butter to enhance richness and reduce the need for added sugar. Both the nut butters like the almond and cashew or traditional butter offer this lush, creamy texture that can make foods taste more indulgent, and the richness of these butters helps satisfy your cravings with much less sugar needed. How do you bring out your natural sweetness? Well, many whole foods have subtle natural sweetness, which can actually be enhanced with a small pinch of salt and a splash of lemon juice. Salt amplifies the flavors, and lemon juice brightens them, making it easier to enjoy natural taste of the food without added sugars. You can try doing this with your smoothie to just taste the difference, or even any of your fruits. Just add a tiny little pinch of salt to just taste the significant difference. So these whole food alternatives to sugar and flavor enhancers not only add subtle sweetness, but also bring nutrients, fiber, and satisfaction to your meals. From fresh fruit purees to a touch of cinnamon or vanilla, or other flavor enhancing spices and creamy avocado. These options allow you to enjoy your food without the sugar crash, fewer sugar cravings, and a focus on your own well-being. So just experiment with these ingredients to create rich, delicious flavors and bring sweetness, texture, and satisfaction into your diet without the need for refined sugars. Now, we didn't talk about some of the super sweet concentrated sugars, which include just dried fruits like mangoes or dates. So we're not talking about those. Those are clearly very sweet, but let's focus on the ones with the fruits that are without the water being removed, that are not yet dehydrated, so that we can have a more balanced level of sweetness. Because yes, the concentrated dried fruits, dehydrated fruits, that's a different level. They're actually quite sweet. So that's another video. But if this is useful for you, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer any of them. Have a great day.